How to add Google Forms link to Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Chrome browser and launch any of your Google Forms. And as you can see on the screen, I've already launched a random form over here. So simply tap on the link at the top of the screen and copy the link. So let's tap on copy link. And as the link is copied, let's go and launch the Facebook application on the device. After launching Facebook application, what you can do is simply switch to your Facebook page over here for now. So let's just switch to the Facebook page and let's tap on another page for us. As we switch to Facebook page, what you simply need to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you select on your profile icon, tap on the option of three dotted lines over here. So here what you simply need to do is tap on edit action button. Select on edit action button and here you have a tap on edit buttons. So what you simply need to do is you can simply select on the option of sign up or contact us. So I'm going to tap on contact us option over here for now and tap on the link to website. So here we just have to enter the URL. So let's just enter the URL that we had copied, and as we do that, tap on save and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, and as you do that, you'll be able to add Google Forms link to Facebook page. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.